Julia is a busy wife and mother. She wants to be healthy and set a good example for her family. And with a high school reunion coming up in a few weeks, she'd like to look her very best. Even though she exercises regularly, she finds it difficult to keep track of her progress, which makes it more than a little frustrating trying to reach her goals. She decides to get a fitness tracker, and after spending hours reading reviews and deciding on the very best tracker available, she loses it after just a couple of days. Upset but determined, Julia decides to get another tracker band, only to lose it too. Real solution to keep them from getting lost. After all, her fitness band is supposed to keep track of her, not the other way around. Then one day, a girlfriend tells her about BitBelt. BitBelt is a brand of premium protective bands manufactured specifically for fitness trackers. They provide effective protection for fitness trackers by preventing them from coming off and getting lost. Thanks to BitBelt, Julia never has to worry about losing her fitness tracker ever again. Are you tired of wasting money replacing expensive fitness trackers? Do you need a reliable partner to help you reach your goals? Then it's time for you to visit BitBelt.com and secure your fitness for good.